Did you know that trees feel pain? Pain is a signal that communicates damage. When we feel pain, we suffer, and that suffering compels us to affect the source of the pain. The same is correct for trees, only in their own way. Trees have a semblance of a nervous system, with signals traveling between 0.5 and 3 meters per minute. It seems slow, but in nature it is not easy to do serious damage to a tree in this time. The tree can't run away from the threat, or sweep the pest away with a branch, so it acts more cunningly. Some trees secrete resins in which the pest can bind itself intentionally. But even more interesting is the mechanism by which trees, in response to a painful stimulus, attract enemies of their enemies. When a caterpillar begins to eat the leaves of a maple tree, the tree secretes a sweet liquid that attracts predatory wasps, and they attack the caterpillar, eliminating the source of pain. Apple trees do the same. And birches have learned to attract not only insects, but also birds, such as swallows, which eat the pests.